All right, this is the Phantom Kill Switch fingerprint model. The fingerprint device is right there, custom built into the center console. And what we do is that's how you deactivate it. And the activation is actually a custom switch that we put in, which is going to be right there, which is look like that switch, but that switch is the activation for a light. And this one we bought and just went ahead and modified it. So let me show you how it works. Push this button. Boop. Kill switch is activated. Let me show you. See the light blinking? That light blinking says, hey, kill switch must be activated. So what happens is it knocks us in the park position. You can't get out of park. So you're like, oh, can't get out of park. Can't get out of park. Stuck in park while the engine's on. Engine's on. How you deactivate it? Fingerprint. Let me show you. Fingerprint. Little green light pops on for a quick millisecond. And that switch is not blinking anymore. Go to your gear shift. Look at that. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. That's it. All while the engine is still on and operating. I'll show you once again. Activate it. You'll see the light blinking. Stuck in the park position. Deactivate it. No light blinking. Go ahead and drive. Phantom Kill Switch. Fingerprint model. Most common one we sell.